We were invited by Jennifer Winder, the director of Preservation Virginia, to come and participate in some archaeological research at Scotchtown. The Preservation Virginia is hoping to increase knowledge about this beautiful house. Some excavation has been done in the backyard in past decades, but no research has been done in the front yard.
We had two primary goals here at Scotchtown. We wanted to identify the original roadway, so we set up 3 trenches along what we believed was the road, and we have begun to excavate those. And in doing so, we have found numerous different kinds of artifacts, including coal, nails, pieces of pottery, glass.
There's a lot you can do in a classroom, especially at the college level, but in terms of something like archaeology, you've got to get out there and do it yourself. And it's a beautiful area out here, so it's a nice little drive away from campus. It gets you off campus just in general, good exercise, fresh air, and you're actually doing real archaeology. You're not doing something in a lab or in the classroom. You're actually doing it for real, and it's a lot easier to learn the methods and what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do if you're out there doing it live than just someone sitting there telling you what you should and shouldn't do.
When we teach in a classroom, we look at slides on the screen, we have little laboratories, we have exercises on paper for students to do, and then they get a sense that there is a reality to this. But when they come out into the field with bugs and snakes and heat and sleet and everything else, they do understand more that the applications of the classroom have to be translated into activity when you come out into the real world. I think this is true in all disciplines, but in archaeology, it's really hard to imagine how you do archaeology without putting a shovel, a spade, a pick, and a broom in your hand and coming out to do the actual work.
I love being outside. I'm a big nature freak. I like going hiking and all this. So I'm like, get in the dirt, getting dirty. I don't care. It's awesome. It's fun to see things slowly come to light and know that years and years ago, this was just on the surface, just a piece of trash or just something lost, and then we just find it, and it's just indescribable. I love it.
What we're finding is interesting from an archaeological standpoint. We're finding lots of little stuff like nails and that sort of thing. I mean, we haven't found Patrick Henry's tobacco pipe or anything like that, but we found lots of just little stuff that's helping us paint a picture of the area. It's kind of like finding a lot of pieces to a jigsaw puzzle.
After you finish digging, about 75% of the work of archaeology is processing what you find. So we wash, we catalog, we photograph, we examine all of these artifacts. This is a small selection of the things that we've recovered so far. And then we do the research. What I love about it is the first few times we come out, they're uncertain. What should I do, Professor? What should I do? But now I don't say a thing. They know exactly what to do. They're pros, they come out, they immediately get to work, they choose their tools, they go through the process, and they keep the notebooks, the primary notebooks for the excavation. So they are the archaeologists on this project. I'm not, they are. I'm the supervisor, they're the archaeologists.